set the tone for the whole night. Right now, we're going to pin this young quarterback deep.
And Mitchell Trubisky, the rookie from North Carolina, heads out to the field to a rousing ovation from the Soldier Field throng. On 1st and 10 from his own 20, takes the snap. Here's Everson Griffin. Boom! It's a strip sack. And imagine that. The Vikings defense provides the spark. It's Everson Griffin with a strip sack.
6.5 sacks. That's 5 games in a row. Everson Griffin has had a sack to start this season. They haven't had a man do that since the Hall of Famer Chris Goldman.
What up?
After a low-scoring first half, the defense continued to limit rookie Mitch Trubisky in his first start. And on offense, the Vikings began to establish some momentum.
Vikings are moving. He runs to the sideline, throws in the back of the end zone, wide open, touchdown reception, uncovered, short touchdown pass, Rudolph. A two-handed, helmet high, right in front of his face mask grab.
And the Minnesota Vikings lead 9-2.
The question is Kyle Rudolph playing, is he playing duck, duck, gray duck, or duck, duck, goose, as they would call it here in Chicago?
Come back and change that damn rule because of that right there. Separate it up for end zone celebration. Let's get in the huddle. I said, after I score, everybody get your ass down there. We're playing duck, duck, goose.
They're doing a nice job mixing the tempo against these linebackers.
2nd and 5, toss right McKinnon following a pulling F-line. And McKinnon gets to the 40, to the 30, and is loose! Inside the 10, touchdown! Jerick McKinnon runs roughshod on the Chicago Bears.
You run for touchdowns, right? Give me a smile. Nah! I told you we were going to break one today, right? Keep going, right?
That's great coaching by Pat Shurmur and the Vikings offensive staff. They go with a quick count, and before Chicago is set, it's over.
Told you, you know why we're here, okay? They got to come to us. They got to come to us. They got to come to us.
After a series of unconventional plays, Chicago was back in the game.
Oh, it's a fake punt, and it's going to work. O'Donnell throws to Benny Cunningham in the center.
Trubisky to the end zone, deflected and caught. And Andrew Sendejo cannot believe he didn't pick it off. And some trickery. How about that play? It wound up getting pitched back to Trubisky to tie the game.
Late in the fourth quarter, the rookie signal caller had time and the ball on his side. But in a division game, you take any win you can get. And that's exactly what the Vikings had in mind.
The Chicago Bears with the rookie quarterback have come back to tie this game. 2:32 to play in the fourth.
Well, can he march them down the field for a dramatic victory in his first NFL start?
Here we go. The rookie from North Carolina takes the snap, looking over the center of the field, sees nothing, runs out to the right, passes, intercepted by Harry the Hitman, and he spins away from Trey McBride. Harry the Hitman picked off Mitch Trubisky with 2:20 to go in the game, and the game's tied at 17. Let's go!
Harry!
But Paula had an interesting conversation with Kai Forbath. Said, hey, how about a game-winning field goal here? I said, on this side, absolutely. So we'll see, boys.
And Trubisky will watch from the sideline helplessly as his defense has to hold him out.
Kai Forbath wearing the purple 2 in the center of his jersey will try to leave the field holding one finger in the air. Kicking to the north side of Soldier Field. Snap spot. Right-footed Forbath kick is good! And that's the ball game. The Minnesota Vikings march into Soldier Field and beat the Chicago Bears 20-17.
It wasn't perfect, all right? We knew it wasn't going to be perfect. But we did what we came here to do, right? We got one in the division now, right? Got to go get another one this next week, right? Amen. Let's go to work. Let's go to work. Right side 3. 1, 2, 3. Bias.